Well, here it is. Yep, still there. How about that? Well, I think I can get in there. Hey guys, welcome back, Chuck House and Mopar. I am going to get some pedals from an 85 Dodge truck. You say, well Chuck, do you own an 85 Dodge truck? The answer is no, but they're down there. I saw them. I found out about these pedals from some friends. They had needed a shifter and everything was intact, but they bought the Hertz shifter. It's actually an inland shifter that they did made for Hertz. I have one. It says ITS on it, and it's just a, under license, I'm sure. I'm going to buy these things because you know what, they're there, and find another set. Now, whether I keep them, buy a truck to put them in, that's always just the smartest thing to do, or what, I'm going to get them and have it because I actually do like square body Dodge trucks. So on these trucks, still through the 80s, they had the Z-bar, they had the rods, and all the linkage. It was exactly the same. As you know, or as you may not know, these are an overdrive transmission that they started putting in, I think, in the 70s. It's actually, they flipped the 3/4 gear somehow. I don't know what they did. I've kind of looked into it, but I never really learned. I guess I didn't care that much. So anyway, I don't know if I'm going to get the transmission too. The truck's sitting about a foot off the ground. Trans bell and flywheel, they will actually pull this stuff for me. I am certainly going to get the rods, the levers, the Z-bar, and the pedals out of this thing today. That shouldn't be awful. And maybe I'll crawl underneath there and see how bad it is to get everything. This is a weaponry. The best way to get your bell housing bolts is to do it this way. Now my buddy Jeff, the professor, he would get one with a 1/2 inch on one end and 3/8 inch drive on the other and a universal socket. I bought this at AutoZone, I'm sure, and never bothered doing what he did. But I have adapters so you can use your impact to bust them loose. This is what I think I'm going to need. See you in the yard. We're going to Speedway down by the drag strip. Okay. We're here, Speedway, right by the racetrack, Gateway, whatever the hell, Worldwide Technology. Might be a little wind noise. This is our cool stuff area. We've walked through there before. I'm sure you're gonna have wind, I'm sorry. I walked through the other day. Nothing so cool to a Mopar guy right now, but Maverick, mid-60s Ford, they got some stuff. Nothing, no Mopars. Yeah, cool stuff. Anyway, all right, let me get in here, get one of their wheelbarrows, and see what we see. Yay. All right, there she is. So yeah, our buddy Brett has got his 77 Roadrunner, and he's always wanted a pistol grip. Well, he couldn't, shifter wouldn't work for what he wanted. Oh man, damn it, I was gonna save this, guys. Anyway, so they found this ITS inland something shifter and they got it. Look at that. Well, that's too bad. Whatever. So anyway, they had come and got this, found out about everything. I don't know if they're gonna buy the trans or not. I may just buy it. They wanted it for parts for his car, just in case. I may just buy this thing, and God forbid they need the parts, I'll just sell it to them. Who cares, in fact, I think that's going to happen. They'll pull this thing for me. trans bell flywheel pulled, $240. Guys, that's a small block bell housing. It's worth $300 all day long. Anyway, let me get after this and I'll bring you along. It's too bad they tore this up, jackasses. Okay, upon further inspection, the shift pad, these guys took that off, I'm sure. This is rusty. It's broken down there, not the worst thing, but there's just a little left. Guy'd have to get that out. They stick. These tail shafts, if you were new or not, they've got a you see the shift pad mount back there? Not really. You see the bottom mount? It's like a it's what they did with these when they made these, like a late '69 is what it is. Something, I don't know. Anyway, so here's the shift lever, and golly, look at the chrome. Boot shot. Yeah, boot shot. Anyway, I'll pull that off. I do notice there's a bit of a hump there. I don't know if it really matters, to be honest with you, because the shifter's over here. I don't think it really matters. Maybe there's whatever, but anyway, just guys, I have one of these transmissions at home, so based on that, this might not be worth doing. We'll see. We'll see. I could get the rest of it and sell. At least I'd have a flywheel. You're gonna pay $110 for that anyway. Okay. All right, I think you can see I got undone the master cylinder rod. In my head I was thinking I was gonna have, I'm into muscle cars too in my head too much, that this was gonna unbolt, I'd be all right, but not so on these trucks. I forgot. That's okay. I'm gonna have to take this cap off right here, and hopefully I can drive this rod out. I'm not holding my breath. Since I didn't consider that, I did not bring anything to drive it out with, quite honestly. Yeah, it needs to come this way for room. I did do that with my 96, and it did not want to come out. Okay, stubborn little booger. Oh, this is always the fun. All right. Oh, something's moving. What's moving? Let me pry on it. What? Something's happening. Oh, joy. Oh, rapture. Oh, joy. Oh, rapture. I think I'm getting it. It's a good sign, no? Yes. Cool. That was too easy. You don't know. When I did this on my 96, the swap, this thing was seriously, that pipe was seriously in there. Cool. All right. Here's, oh, whatever. I got the clip, the other clip. I'm gonna get that on there, and we'll continue. Continuing. Oh, wait a minute. Well, hell. There you go. That was easy too. All right. All right, the fun is officially ended. There's a Z-bar. Okay. Looks like there's a bolt there. Oh, we got one or two. Oh, one down there into the bell. I would think there'd be another. And then back here, big caliber bolt. I don't know if I could show you guys all this undoing or not. I'm gonna be under the truck. Yeah, we'll certainly see. All right, let me see what I can do. Well, I have a problem, actually. Let's see if I can get the sun on here. So I took the that off, right? The clutch rod, whatever it is, right here. Well, I can't reach in there, but I don't have sockets big, or I can't get to. I don't have any adjustable wrenches to get this loose up here on part of the Z-bar. So I'm going to pull this apart, get that rod out of there, this rod, pull the clutch fork out, and then we're going to go from there. You guys got sun coming in on you. Yeah, I'll decide what the hell I'm going to do. I can get the bell housing side of the Z-bar off. Okay. Alright, that is climbing from back there. Can't really need my little buddy. Gonna squeeze through there. Alright. Well, luckily this is just a hairpin right there. Okay. This is gonna take more than one hand, I'm thinking. Well, we'll see. Well, plus there's a spring, return spring. Alright, I'm gonna get this off. And I'll meet you on the outside when I get everything in my hand out there. Okay, the clutch fork's fighting. It's got some kind of clip in there. I don't know what it is. I may have a solution to my Z-bar problem. I noticed while I was underneath, you boys see those bolts right there? There's the Z-bar. There's another one at the top. There's the tops of them right there. That might be cool. I don't know what that is. That's probably the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna get under there and try to pull that loose and yeah, loosen them up, see what happens. Got it. There's where it was. I wonder if this was a plate they put in there. I'm gonna try to knock that out. Yeah, the Z-bar just came apart. The guts fell out, but we get a rebuild kit. There's that. One of these things fell. How do you get some weaponry out, man? Let's keep these all together. I don't know. There it is, right there. It's a little bigger than what I'm used to seeing. Another one somewhere. There it is. I'll keep them. Who cares, right? I just got to get what? One big one there, one little one there. I think I can do that all from underneath. I think so. I'm gonna try to knock these up. Knock it up. Cheese and rice. There we go. Yeah, this is booger brain. The cab was coming down on this. Let's see what we got here. Get out of there, you. There it is. Oh, I got words for this thing. Anyway, okay. Let me piece together stuff. I actually, where is it? Manual transmission, right? So this is the plug for the backup light, which, as you know, I'm doing a Cornet with a 4-speed. I don't have. So there's that. Figure what the hell. Not only that, guys, there's a prop valve down here. I may try to get out. Proportioning valve. It's on the inside of the frame right there. I don't know. I don't know. Took a casualty here. This little sucker got me right in the side of the head. I'm not complaining because it could have been worse, you know, like right in the side of the eyeball. Gotta be careful. Okay. Got the prop valve. What are you gonna do with that? I might use it on the Cornet, actually. No joke. This is like pretty similar to the E-body, the Kuda's Challenger. Yeah, that might be where it goes. Rear, front. Yeah, it may happen. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. All right, I'm gonna snag some stuff. I don't know. I get stuff like this. You know, you don't know. And they don't care. These don't cost anything. Okay. Squeeze me. I'm back. They pulled it right then. Forked it up, took it over, and yeah, I didn't expect that. I was planning on coming back in a week. That would have been fine, but it would have been sitting outside all day, or for a week, and it is supposed to rain. So let's just look at the good. Somewhere around here I have all the bolts. Okay, the 6 flywheel, 6 flex plate bolts. They gave me the clutch. That's going in the garbage. So yeah, this is a complete 4-speed swap for a square body truck. Pedals, clutch rod bar, the Z bar goes on there. Okay, this little spring here actually clips into those guys there, and that's what keeps that in. The other end, evidently, well, there is only one. It just slides in and stays. This is the bracket for that. This has got a little wear. That one's okay. This one's got a little wear. So yeah, low-hanging fruit. So this was just laying there, a 3-pulley, you know, small block deal. What the heck? I was gonna pull the crank pulley, and I may go back and do that anyway. You know how it is. The spring, yeah, all of this stuff. Got all the bolts, and that's that. Oh well, the other storage. You know, I needed the harness for my Cornet. I don't know what, it's just, I think they're both grounds. I think the wires on that is, well, one's certainly ground. Anyway, I have this much. The prop valve, okay, and I kept this too for the light. Prop valve, this looks like E-body to me. I can certainly fit that into the Cornet. I have bought a prop valve for that car. Just an aftermarket deal, but I'll use a factory Chrysler one if I can. I mean, come on. Trouble is, where do you put it? You know, ideally you get this whole thing figured out before you, you mock everything up where you want stuff. It could go right there, you know, and ideally you take and weld some nuts in the back. So ask me, why do you need a prop valve in a drum brake car? I think you know the answer. It's getting front discs. Yeah, so I'm gonna get on Dr. Diff's, one of these guys, and see who does these, has kits. I might send my old, I will send my old one back. Anyway, yeah, flywheel, for crying out loud, small block flywheel. So the question is why? And the answer is, I don't have an answer. I couldn't let that thing just sit there, especially the pedals. You can get the rest of this stuff, but yeah. So I don't know, maybe square body truck someday. Heck, I don't know. I'm an idiot. I just, you know, I just can't leave stuff sit like this. So anyway, yeah, we got overdrive trans. It actually makes 2. We'll see. I could sell this stuff and make a couple bucks. I don't know. Let me see. I look like, what's his name, on D-Boss Garage up there in Canada. All dirty all the time. Anyway, that's all I got. That's my little whim I did today. I had fun. Actually, it's a gorgeous day. So thanks so much for coming along with me today, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.